Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. This is Omar from Simple Tutorials, and in this one we will be discussing how to fix missing required DS files in Delta Emulator. Before we dive into the video, there is a link in the description of this video using which you can now support to our channel. It is going to be super awesome if you do that. Alright, so now the first thing is simply head over to your browser of your choice. Then there you are going to be searching for these files. The link will be provided. Basically, these are the three set of files that you are going to be needing on GitHub, and import these files from your downloads. Then here's how you can actually fix it. So you are going to be heading over to this browser. Then you are going to be opening Delta and tapping on the settings icon. Then scroll down and tap to Nintendo DS under core settings. Tap on each missing .bin file, and then basically these are the ones. Then import each missing file into that, and that's pretty much it. So make sure you head over to this link, or you just note it down somewhere on your place. And yeah, so that's how you can fix it. Make sure to donate to this channel using the link in the description, as it supports us. And thank you so much for watching.